morning everyone, I am Justin G. Alarba and I am going to make a video blog about what I have learned in ICT during the semester. In today's modern age, information and communication technology or ICT plays a crucial role in various aspects of our lives. From education to business, ICT has become an integral part of our daily routine. Its value cannot be overstated as it has revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Information and communication technology or ICT is defined as a diverse set of technological tools and resources used to transmit, store, create, share, or exchange information. With the help of ICT tools such as cloud computing, data analytics, and automation, we can create online content, improve productivity, and make data-driven decisions. Furthermore, ICT has transformed the way we entertain ourselves. From streaming online to social media platforms, technology has revolutionized the way we consume and share content. In my overall knowledge about ICT, the value of ICT in the modern age cannot be underestimated. It has revolutionized education, business, healthcare, and entertainment, making our lives more convenient, efficient, and connected. As the technology continues to advance, the role of ICT will only become more prominent, shaping the future of our society. Embracing and harnessing the power of ICT is essential for individuals like me, organizations, and nations to thrive in the digital era.